x equals 0, we've got I'm going to start with the same plan of attack for lot 2, and I'm using the hammer and the punch here just to make it easier for me to get my drill bit in there without it sliding all over the place. So I'm trying for the 2 screws to see if I can knock those out of there. And I'm really not sure what's going to happen here until I start, but as you can see, I'm not getting much of anywhere, and I know that there's a hardened steel plate inside of there to prevent this sort of an attack, and we'll see how well it works. It's doing a good job so far. Change the bit. See if I can do something with a different bit. And I'm still not getting anywhere here. It never even came close with those. It was it's a really hard plate that they have in there protecting that. I don't think I really broke beyond the outer brass shell there that you can see. That's just sort of a decorative piece. Yep, getting absolutely nowhere with that. So I'm going to try a second area, which is right at the top there. You can see where the cylinder meets the outer piece. I'm going to bang a little hole and see if I can't dig in there and get at those pins. And this also has a protective piece of hardened steel. And as you can see, I'm not getting much anywhere with this either. So I gotta give it a go and see if I can hit the pins from inside of the keyhole. Go back to the smaller bit. The keyway in there is pretty thin. As soon as I get that in there, I can feel that that's not going too far in there too. There's the first pin has some sort of a anti-drill quality to it. It's hardened, or the way it's shaped. So I'm really not getting much of anywhere. I can feel that I'm breaking up a few things in there, but it doesn't feel like anything's giving way. Now the one spot I got left to go is the bottom there, and that goes in fairly easily. See if I've done anything here where I can turn it with a big screwdriver, but it's not budging. I'll try to get it in there again with the small bit. Still nothing. See if I can get through that armor. Well, they did a good job with the armor on this one. And I'm not getting anywhere with the pins. So I'm gonna, after this try with the screwdriver, nothing, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot for the bottom again and see if I can't dig into the mechanism that spins. And I'm getting down in there pretty good. And then suddenly, bam, I see it. I hit it. Can hit that again. Opens up with a time of 4 minutes, 53 seconds.